We do that, we're going to bless our young ones. So come on up, littles. And while they're coming up, if you have not downloaded the UVC app, you can go to your app store and just put in Unity Village Chapel, and just a click away, you will have all of our events, activities, a map of the grounds, everything to stay connected to our groups and everything that we have here. How's everyone doing? Good. Will you take a breath with me? You guys can kind of teach them. You guys all know about taking a calming breath, right? I think so. Will you be our teachers and show everybody? Okay, ready? Do you know my friend has a dog? And that might not be interesting enough as it is, but she has a dog that gets really, really excited when you come in the house and like,
oh, I know who you're talking
what's her name?
about.
Tig is her name. I mean, she goes a little nuts. So they're live streaming right now. Hi, Tig. We have about 300 live streamers every Sunday. So Tig goes a little nutso unless you come over and say hi to her. I always call him, her. And gets up on the...
Call him.
I know, call him, her, him. And that stuff doesn't really matter anymore these days. So I'm seeing the dog, and the dog's going a little nutso. And what calms the dog? Do you want to know what calms the dog? Because she's teaching me. I'm not a dog person, I'm a cat person. They just walk away. She's teaching me, and what works is, what do we do when we see Tig? So she sits behind the gate, we sit on this side, and if you try to do anything else, she will just, and she will not stop barking, but once you go, she'll just go. And then you can pet her and then go on with the visit. All right, so we ready? Let's give it to him again. Ready? Let's put a lot of love in our hands and bless our children. So you can see everyone has their parts here. Congregation, you say you are born blessed. You say we are born blessed. And then we'll repeat the next part together. Congregation, you are born blessed. Young ones, we are born blessed. Congregation,
you are here to be a blessing.
Oh, suck that in. Did you hear that? Could you feel that? That was like music. I could feel that. Okay, now we say we are here to be a blessing. Ready?
We are here to be a blessing.
And so it is. Have a wonderful day at Spirit School. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine,